I slept like shit. That was an interesting night, to say the least. But, yeah, let's get on some gold. Let's go.
That's it. It's just the payroll, you know. So
Is that your new friend, buddy?
They can do my time cards right now.
What are you doing? You making friends? Look, we got a friend who keeps hanging out. How you doing? How you doing?
Oh, hey.
You get a little tail wag again? You seen that last time? He's all happy. He's like, hey, you get some food? Look at this dude Rob brought. Anybody claim jumping?
Gotcha. One size fits all.
One size fits you today. He's coming for you. He wants some coffee. Look, there's the tail wag. Hello. How you doing? Oh, very nice. Oh, happy duck. Happy duck. All right, you guys, we just had breakfast, a little bit of cleanup for the campsite, and we are ready to go. Buddy, day 2 on the river. How do you feel?
Leave me alone, you idiot.
Nice. All right, you guys, we are officially on the river. I got the first 2 buckets done. See if we can get some gold today. Let's go. All right, 3 and 4. Let's get it. Good buddy over there. Rob's over here stealing my water flow.
Gotta find gold, bro.
Yeah, at all costs. How you doing over there, huh?
Leave me alone, you idiot.
Good boy. All right, let's keep digging. Got on Brent for the sluice for a little bit. I think it makes it so much faster. We got 5 and 6 already going. Corey's over there. Rob's over here getting his buckets done. Let's get it. All right, let's clean the sluice out. See what 6 buckets did. I am here to tell you that Dream Mat is absolutely the truth. Look at that, that's 6 buckets. We haven't even been here an hour.
Very nice.
Look at that one.
Get back to work.
I'm sorry! All right, well, now that I got buckets 5 and 6 done, tested it, I'm just gonna go crazy. I'm gonna do maybe 14 buckets before the next clean out. It literally, we've been here maybe a half hour, 45 minutes, talking to the boys over there and whatnot, and then still got 6 buckets done. Dredge mat's the way to go. But let's keep digging. I've been digging this top section right here. I'm just gonna keep pushing in right there. See what we get. Let's go. Just like that, 7 and 8. Let's go. All right, so it is 12:51. We have been here approximately an hour and a half now. And those are buckets 9 and 10. Let's get it. It is now 12:59. We got 11 and 12. So let's get it. Getting close to 20 buckets already. So there goes 13 and 14. Excuse Rob's crack. Lots of black sand. Very nice. So Rob classified the hell out of these 2 buckets. Oh, I see it.
Those bigger pieces, too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're definitely bigger pieces today than last time. Nice, dude. Good stuff. I'm literally on 1% camera. I hope I have enough battery for this. I just seen a snake floating through the water. Where'd it go? I just seen it like right there. My phone died. But I got all the rest of the buckets done. That is now 21 and 22. I have all the guns in there. What do you think, buddy? Nice. All right. So we have taken out all of this today. Somebody came back, dug this little section out. I had done all this for the most part, I think, up until about there. But that is 13 or 23 and 24. You've been making weird faces all weekend, buddy. What are you doing? What?
Meemaw?
Meemaw? What about Meemaw?
Meemaw, the Germaw, and the Pawpaw done went to...
Rob done lost his mind. The gold fever is getting to him. All right, let's wash these out. I don't know how many more I'm gonna do. My back is literally on fire. It feels like an earthquake going up the whole damn thing right now. But we got work done. 24 buckets. Let's get it. Last 2 buckets are cleaned out in the bucket. I'll show you guys the results back at the house. Stay tuned. All right, so I have lost the little container that I normally weigh my gullet in, so we're using a Tamarind cap today. A little bit left in there. See if we can get it to go to 0.4. Come on. Come on, 0.4. Yeah, there we go. All right, well, you see it. From that spot, we got 0.4. Add it to the collection. All right, you guys. See you on the next one.